Welcome back. XAUUSD Gold Technical Live Analysis video. Yesterday I will share with you a technical live analysis video. So yesterday our trade will 101% work it. I am giving to you call both side trades. If our resistance break out, then we will continue our buy. If resistance take a bearish candlestick like a bearish engulfing like a any bearish momentum, so we will see at the resistance our sell setup. So yesterday alhamdulillah we will win 3 to 400 pips win. So I will show to you where I will give you our yesterday trade. Yesterday gold trade in this range. Okay, in this range many traders giving here buy signal, sell signal, buy sell, but I am sharing with you with analyze and my signal only one setup share yesterday almost 3 to 400 pips win. Here I am giving to you sell setup 4627 4630 is our second limit, and our SL will be hunt I know with only 30 to 40 pips, and again market coming in our direction. So we will yesterday make many big profit. I will share with you my client accounts in channel. So if you like our channel, if you understanding something in this video, so please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget hit the bell icon, and share my channel link with your friends Telegram and YouTube channel, because this is the free of cost. There is no need to pay anything. So today gold is trade at the support right now. This is the lower time frame support. This is lower time frame support. Market is already bullish, but gold is still in a range. Which range? This range. Let's check here. Gold trade it's in a range. When market break out in this range, he gold make a new high. So high probability gold make a support comes right at the support, and again gold bullish and make all time new high. Which one support? This one support, because here is sellers active. Here is the sellers more pressure, because let's check here. Buyers pump the market in this candle, and again sellers pressure market down the sell. And here is the buyers active, market pump the sell buy, and again sellers pressure market comes right here. So high probability market comes at the trend line support, and already this is the support. This is the already support, because coming time market take a resistance and again downfall, and again breakout and retest this zone, and multiple time make a support, make a support, make a support, and again high probability gold comes right here, and here is buyers active. Our first target the 4630 40. This is our round number. And second scenario right here, if the market instantly break down this support and retest, our target will be first low 4458. This is the first low, and second target 4408, and with his round number 4400 we will make our next target. So this is the sell and buy setup. And gold comes right here. If gold see here again, if the resistance right here break out and retest, we will continue our buy setup, and our target next target will be 4700 is our next target. If gold cannot break this resistance like this, again market uh, crash right here with the candlestick confirmation, so we will continue our sale. We will wait for the support. Now we will wait for breakout or breakdown. We will never trade, ever trade, because we will wait for confirmation. If we markets come the support trend line and almost this is support, we will wait for confirmation. If gold comes at our support and we will see candle confirmation or pattern confirmation, we will again enter. Here is a no trading area. I will show to you 15-minute time frame. Let's go. We will see 15-minute time frame. So I hope everyone, let's check here. This is the ranging market. We will called in this situation ranging market. So I will show to you which range market make right now. Let's check here. Many times market breakout and retest and multiple take a resistance, middle area support, resistance and support. And here is gold. Many times spend their time and suddenly gold breakdown against go at the resistance and again downfall coming to the support. 15-minute time frame aggressive selling pressure because all time market break the support, precious support break, again gold downfall, again precious support break, market downfall. Now it's again this support break. We will wait till for by 4450. This low is our first target. This low 4450 and 4430. This is our next target. So I hope everyone understand. We will wait for support break. We will continue our sell trade. If the resistance break, we will continue our buy setup. If market comes at the support, and we will see candle confirmation or a chart pattern confirmation. I will show to you which one confirmation. Like comes right here. Here we will see W pattern like this, and we will other pattern see. We will candlestick confirmation like in bullish engulfing, bullish candlestick rally. Which one pattern you will use for confirmation? If you will see confirmation with properly SL, and we will make our next target 4600. Because markets comes resistance, we see sell setup. If breakout, we will close our trading setup and we will continue our buy trade. If we market goes to support zone, and we will see candlestick confirmation or chart pattern confirmation, we will make our buy setup. If support break, we will continue our sell setup with breakout and retest. So I hope everyone understanding. I will share with you soon gold XAUUSD technical analysis live video. High probability the gold comes right the support. Take right here the support, and we will see our buy setup at the support. Here is no trading area. This is the support and also trend line support and already support. So I will wait for the confirmation. Markets comes right here, and which one pattern market make, after we will enter with the confirmation. Thank you so much. If you like our channel and understanding something in this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube video and my YouTube channel. Please hit the bell icon and don't forget share my Telegram and YouTube channel with your friends. Please, I am making video for you. I am working hard for you, so I need your support. Please grow my Telegram channel. Please grow my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. If anyone interested in my signal in my account management work, so please share with me your account details. Profit sharing daily or weekly, no problem which one you choose. I have all payment methods available, and I am using all broker, no problem. I have many broker, they give to you 50 to 100% bonus commission. Thank you so much, guys.